right, first of all, what is an x-intercept? What is a y-intercept? We think about the word intercept probably because you hear it in football. It's kind of you intercept a pass, you come in the path of the pass, and you take the ball. So same thing. We're talking about where does this line come into the path. Y-intercept means where does it hit the y-axis. X-intercept means where does it hit the x-axis, okay? So if we look at this line, the x-intercept occurs at -3. Right there. What about the y-intercept? The y-intercept occurs at this point at 2. Not sure if we have to do this in coordinate form or if it just wants a singular answer. Let's try this and see what it says. Yeah, that's fine. So otherwise, the other way you could write it is the coordinate for the y-intercept is simply 0, 2. And the coordinate for the x-intercept is -3, 0. That takes into account that actual point, but they are cool with this, so let's just roll with that. All right, here we go. X-intercept, where does it hit the x-axis? Right over here at 4. Y-intercept, where does it hit the y-axis? Right over here at 1. That none box is there in case it doesn't ever hit one of the axes. All right, here we go, perfect. So let's talk about these intercepts again. The y-intercept, where does it hit that? Right there at, that's a -2. It's hard to see the negative, but it's a -2. It's below the x-axis. Where does the x-intercept happen? Well, it doesn't happen anywhere here. Does it happen somewhere off the grid? The presumption is it does not, because this is parallel to the x-axis, so at least it looks parallel. And therefore we are to assume that it will run next to it, but will never actually hit the x-axis. So in this case, there's our chance to use the none value.